Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Black V70 Max, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the features. Then let's enter system navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures, so the option we are looking for. Let's pretend I've got the virtual navigation, and basically if you want to, you can also customize this mode. So let's enter the settings icon, and as you can see you can reorder the back button and the recents, show notification navigation bar, and hold home for assistant. So to set the gestures, simply tap on this option, and instead of the 3 buttons, they will simply disappear, and now we've got gestures applied. You can enter the settings also, and you can, for example, display the bottom indicator, which is this line. It's totally up to you. Avoid misoperation by swipe gesture and Google Assistant. You can also change the back sensitivity for the left and right edge, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gesture, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So now let me quickly explain how to use the gesture. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. You can see this arrow and you can release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that your motion is quick and short, something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, but hold your finger somewhere here. So basically elongate this gesture like that, and here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.